I wanted to do a quick little video about a side-by-side comparison of the Hero 7 GoPro Black and limited edition black white, or really kind of gray. Anyway, this is the Hero 7. I don't have the little door on it because I had this hooked up on my dash and I just had it plugged in. Anyway, this is my Hero 7 Black, and it's been doing very well for me. And I am fixing to give it away to Noemi, because Noemi is going to use it to do the documentary about the McIntosh family farms in the Philippines. So I'm giving that to her, and I'm keeping this one for myself because I'm stingy and greedy like that. Although once she sees the white one, she's going to rather want that one, I'm pretty sure. Or it's not really white, it's more like gray, like light gray. The actual GoPro, you can't really tell in this video, but the actual camera is just a hair smidgen lighter than the frame. Okay, so that's it. 7 black, white, and 7 black. And I bought Margie a laptop and a case. Actually, I'm going to give Margie this case, but I got them both an HP Envy. Margie and Noemi both the identical computer, and the computer I got them is the HP Envy X360M convertible 15M CN 0011DX. So I got Margie one, Noemi one, and I got both of them a Thule case. One of them's going to get the thinner case, probably Noemi, because she's got backpacks, I know. Then I'm going to give this case probably to Margie, so she can kind of keep everything in one case. And I got some other stuff for them too, and I'll be taking that over there. But that's the main stuff, and they are going to help me jumpstart my YouTube channels. So anyway, life is good. GoPro 7 Hero black and white comparison. Hero 7 black, that's limited edition white, and GoPro 7 black.